All right, reverse lunge, great exercise for your legs. Just as simple as the front lunge. All you're gonna do is pick up 2 dumbbells, keep them at your sides the whole time, and what you're gonna do is just gonna reach back with one leg and then drop down. So basically, just gonna reach back with one leg, drop down, come right back to the starting position, and you're gonna alternate one leg at a time. All right, so focus on keeping your knees straight. You don't want to be bending in or out, so try to focus on keeping a steady movement with your knees. And now don't just like rush them in, you know, do them like however you want. Really focus on the movement. Every rep counts. The more you focus, the more you wake up all those little muscles in your legs, the better burn you'll get, better workout you'll get. All right, that's it for reverse lunge.